Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski with your week 14 lecture video. So I am beginning in the schedule. I am recording this on Thursday, so the revision plan number 2 is due tomorrow on Friday. I've graded all the revision plan ones. Make sure that you check the comments in the grade section and or your documents as part of that grading process. Also, just to touch on the first draft and cover letter and the peer report. I want to remind everybody that I did cover that at length in this week's screencast video. So once again, I'm going to emphasize that all videos should be watched closely, taking notes and watching the video several times. A lot of content out there yet before we wrap up the end of the semester. So let me get back to the announcements page here. I want to grab the lecture video message. I will add the link to this video once it is produced. I want to point out that I have uploaded a tutorial video that I found in YouTube about using Google Sites to build a website or page. This link is right here. We're
Your
all
work
up
can feel
working.
much
It
smoother
should
with
work well.
Monday.com
All right.
WorkOS.
It is a fine produced video, probably a little bit more professional than what I produced in the module. So I'm going to get right to the module. You have two distinct videos to use here. So the last assignment, the one that is going to be your container. Once again, your container for your cover letter, for your 2 revised and proofed essays, for your revision plans for each of your essays, and even containing a short reflection will be the e-portfolio. So it is important to complete the cover letter assignment. It is important to complete the 2 revised essays. And it is also important for you to complete the revision plans because those particular documents have to be included in the e-portfolio. So the portfolio is here, like I say, a task to build a single web page to demonstrate reflection and revisions of student writing. That's exactly what we're doing. So you're going to build a single web page, okay? One web page. So the expectations for the e-portfolio are simple. To earn at least a B, you will have to meet the following expectations. And that is what I just covered about the components, right? The cover letter, the 2 revised essays, 2 revision plans, and the short reflection. So I talk about the revisions and how we're looking for some thoughtful, substantial work. You can use the Google Sites to construct your e-portfolio. You demonstrate your writing and web designing skills. Consider this a living document that you can add work to as you move through your academic and professional careers. Many people nowadays do construct portfolios to demonstrate skills. It's also done in the computer and technology field. People who write code have their own portfolio so they can demonstrate to prospective employers. And actually, they build some in some of the computer classes where they can demonstrate their code, and it's a form of assessment, right? So I also have a video here that I produced for a couple of semesters ago about how it runs about 13 minutes on how to build
Hello,
a,
everyone. This is Jim Okrasinski,
yep,
and
link
I'm
still
going
works.
to run through.
Okay, it's how to build a e-portfolio, a web page using Google Sites. You can also, once again, I'm going to go back to the announcement here. You have that particular video. If you're tired of listening to me, you can just snap on the tutorial here that is the professional production that I found in YouTube. So you have 2 videos now, 2 videos that you can use to help you build the e-portfolio, the web page that holds all of your wonderfully revised essays and revision plans, all right? Google Sites is right here. You can get started relatively quickly. You can build it in the folder. You may even turn around and use your SA4 folder, or you can create a folder in the ePortfolio folder that'll be in our Drive site, right? So here, just to demonstrate some of the examples here, I'm using these examples from my classes, my past classes at the College of DuPage. For some reason, Canvas wipes out all of the actually wipes out all of the assignments, so I couldn't go back into older Canvas courses and grab them. But you will see here exactly what you must produce. It is one page, cover letter here, and they tell you exactly how to insert the documents right from your Drive folder. The two revision plans, one revised essay, the other revised essay, and the short reflection. Nice little design here, pleasant colors, pretty straightforward. A little bit of an introduction there. So this is Giuseppina's portfolio. Here we have another one. Dariana was a two-time student, actually, 101, 102, but she had a little bit different design to her particular web page, and she has a revised essay. She'll see the summary essay and the proposal essay and the short reflection there. Nice, that's a nice design, nice color choice there. All right, and then let me see, get rid of this one. We have one more to look at. Yes, here's Angelica's, and she's got some you can personalize this, whatever you think is appropriate. The revision plans here, and also the revised essays and the reflection. So this will give you a background about how we're gonna build that e-portfolio. Like I said, you have one video here you should watch about building the e-portfolio. The most important component here is to make sure you have all the parts that go into the portfolio, which means you must have the revision plans and the two revised essays. Now I'll talk a little bit on the weekend screencast about how you can take your revised essays and resubmit those to the original assignment and earn your, well, actually get a better grade on those particular essay assignments. I'll talk about that in this week's screencast. All right, so this is the e-portfolio. You're building, once again, a single web page using Google Sites. We have a tutorial video here. You need all the components, and you have an additional tutorial video here. And I'll run the link for the lecture video and when I produce that and publish that out on my YouTube channel. All right, so if you have any questions about this assignment, like I say here, make sure you contact me sooner rather than later. Good luck.